Hi guys, in today's video I'll check out this Amazfit T-Rex Pro. So some of the feature it got, it's O2 sensor, long battery life, ultra long battery life, and it got water resistant up to 100 meter. Alright, let's check it out. On the one side we got the handbook. On this side we got the charging cable and a charging dock. So the screen we got 1.3 AMOLED display. So in the back we got the sensor right here plus the 2 charging port, the contact point. Okay, it's magnetic. You go on like that. So the magnetic go only one way, like this way. It doesn't go this way. So the watch got the select button right here, back right here, down and up. Total 4 button. So I download the app and it will ask me to sign up. So I'm going to use Apple to sign up. Okay, the setup process, I will scan the watch QR code. So the watch screen is touch screen and I didn't know I clicked back. So okay, now the setup process is complete and I'm updating the software right now. The setup process is pretty easy. The pairing process is pretty easy. You can scan the QR code and there's a check and an X right here, touch screen, so you can touch it to mark it. I didn't know that. I click back and have to set up manually, but it's the same. It's easy. So now it's downloading the software update. So the watch is successfully updated and it's touchscreen. Okay, so now I'm gonna wear the watch for a couple days, see how it is. So the touchscreen, it's responsive. I think there's no lag or anything. I think. Alright, we'll see how I look on my wrist. So the wristband is feel comfortable. Okay guys, here are some of the free watch face that they have on the app. You know, so they have many free for you to choose. Some of them will cost $2.99, $2.99, and some of them cost 99 cents, $1.99. This one is free. So the watch doesn't feel heavy. It's you feel like a regular smartwatch. So it's been about 2 days since the last time I charged the watch. The last time I saw it's 100%, but that's not fully charged. I only charged for a little bit while I was working on the update, but the battery was 100% and now it's 77%. You can see last charge 2 days ago. So I have the display to always on, so it drains the battery a little bit more. And there's also a feature that allows you to lock the screen. So overall, what I think of the watch is a decent watch for the price. It's only costs like $130. I like the way it's designed and the rubber strap, and I like the fact that it's water resistant to 100 meter. So I think the case is made of plastic, I think, but hard plastic. And the screen is lower, so it's prevent from scratching. There's a bezel is rising up like this, so prevent the screen from scratching. Alright guys, that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.